Alright, here's how you can use Google's latest AI model for generating videos for text or image prompts called Veo 3. So first, you want to make sure that you're in the correct website. So as you can see here, you're in the gemini.google/overview/video-generation. You should be on a page like this, and you should see a button for Try Veo. You want to click on that. And then once you click on it, you'll be met with a subscription page. And as you can see, there's the free Google AI Pro, Google AI Ultra. And if you notice here, it says under Flow, access our AI filming tool custom built with Veo 3 fast to create cinematic scenes and stories. So they actually upgraded this. So that used to be like Veo 3 2 like pretty recently, and then they changed to the Veo 3. So now you can actually test it out. As you can see here, I'm from Canada, so it's showing in CA. But it's $0 for 1 month. So you can actually try this for a month, see how you feel about it before investing into actually paying money for the service. And all you need to do is just click on Get Started, and you'll be brought to your email here. You just put in your email, you sign in, you put in your credit card information or whatever, just anything to register you for the account. And then as soon as that happens, you should be brought to the Gemini page. But just to know that this isn't the correct page for the actual tool for Flow, because you actually need to go to this page, labs.google/fx/tools/flow. So you actually need to be on this page. And once you get to this page, you might be prompted to confirm your credentials or whatnot. But because you're already signed in, you shouldn't have to do that necessarily. But you should be brought to this page where you have new project here. And once you click new project, you should be brought to this page for the screen builder. And you'll notice that you could just put your prompts here. And once you click enter or click the arrow button here, it will start creating your videos. Just to note that this is on the model Veo 2 fast by default. So you actually want to switch to Veo 3 here, quality. So yeah, just a heads up, just make sure that this is Veo 3 and not Veo 2, so you're not testing the wrong thing for the whole month. Anyways, that's it.